Remember this, viewer, India hasn't even taken a military decision and yet Pakistan is rattled. Because Pakistan is expecting that it'll have to pay for its consequences for what it has done. They'll have to face it. And now India Today gives you an exclusive scoop on what exactly happened in Pakistan. And I'm telling you about the border status here. They've moved their radar system to the India-Pak border. They're expecting a devastating airstrike by India. India hasn't even done anything yet. It has taken diplomatic decisions. It has put Indus Water Treaty in abeyance. It has cancelled visas of the Pakistan nationals. And also because Pakistan will have to realize that there will be, for what it has done all these years, not just Pahalgam, there will have to be a cost to pay. Now, latest Pakistan radar position is barely a few kilometers from the border. They are moving their e-warfare systems to the forward position. And we are telling you this, viewer, to help you understand that India has shown extreme restraint right now. Remember, despite the outrage and the backlash and the anger as much, the distress to all Indians, and of course pressure on the Modi government, yet there is a certain restraint being shown right now. But Pakistan clearly showing it is facing the jitters.
There is a likelihood that India will attempt an incursion in Pakistan and will engage Pakistan militarily. That is a possibility, a very clear and stark possibility. Cannot be ruled out.
India Today's Shivani Sharma tracking all the latest on that. And I want to reiterate here. Of course, we are following guidelines. We are not revealing anything about what India's security status is. But we have to tell you, because it's hilarious to say the least, Shivani, isn't it? Pakistan moving their radar system to the border. They are already jittery. What exactly is happening? Because India only put the Indus Water Treaty in abeyance.
Pooja, you can see what Pakistan is doing since last 7 days. We've seen how the ceasefire is being violated along the line of control, where they are actually involved in a provocative small arms firing almost every night. And they are moving their assets close to the borders. They are conducting exercises. They are asking for help from their friends. They are actually in jitters. They are holding meetings and huddles every day. The statements that are coming in from right from the Prime Minister of Pakistan to the ministers to the cricketers, they are all showing how trembled is Pakistan after the CCS happened and the decisions have been taken only on the diplomatic front. As of now, Pooja, we have not declared any kind of action except the countdown that we have given that India is actually going to respond. But Pakistan is fearing some kind of action from India. It doesn't know what India will do. But actually, this is laughable, and we can see how Pakistan is now actually moving its assets, radars, and also additional troops close to the borders. So all in all, the whole situation gives an idea that Pakistan is actually full of fear. It is scared, while India is countering terror with the operations that are going on in Jammu and Kashmir.
Shivani will be tracking all the latest on that. And remember that India will take steps as and when required. There's a reason that huddles are taking place in India too. But perhaps Pakistan already realizing and believing that India will strike them. But I hope Pakistan realizes India will strike, not how Pakistan expects it.